The Director General of the Nigerian Diaspora Commission, Honorable Abike Dabiri, and the former Minister of Education, Ezekwesili, engaged themselves in a Twitter fight yesterday. Ezekwesili cautioned Abike's choice of words against a Twitter user who called her a mumu. The Mama Diaspora, as she's fondly called, clapped back at the Twitter user, saying that the country will not use its resources to bail drug barons who traffic drugs to Indonesia and expect the country to save them. Facing Madam Obi, Abike argued that she would not be bullied by any Twitter mob, maintaining that she is not a public officer who keeps her mouth shut at the face of provocation. Should the public officials insult citizens?